In this video, I'll show you how to make a blog post. Now, not everybody really is going to need to blog or cares to do it, but if you do, there are some reasons to do that. I mean, if you're going to do it on a regular basis, it can give your potential clients a way to interact with you and kind of see that see what it is you do a little bit, or maybe you can educate them in some ways. It just depends on what kind of stuff you want to post. You could post things, just information, little articles about selling your house to an investor, for sellers, or whatever the case. I mean, there's a lot of different ways you could use it. But if you want to make blog posts, here's how to do it. From easy mode, just scroll down to new post and click that. If you're not in easy mode, you'll go to posts and add new. So either way, you end up here, and you just give your post a title. And I'm just going to put, today we saved a homeowner from foreclosure. Now this is just kind of give you an idea. You could put success stories and things like that that kind of build people's confidence in you and your business. And then you can just type in whatever you want here. Now you can just type a little article or story or whatever here. If you want to put in pictures, you can do that. You just go to upload, insert, and this will allow you to choose an image to put on your site. And I'm just going to pick a picture here. You just click it and click open, and that will upload it to your site. Okay, so you can see it's uploaded now, and we can give it a name if you want, and we don't really need to put anything else. You choose which size you want. I'll just put medium and click use this image. That will insert it. And maybe we want to move it around. Maybe we want the text to wrap around it, so if you click on it and then click this little edit image button, this will give you some options. Let's see, maybe I want it to be on the left and have the text wrap around it. I can do that and click update. Maybe I don't, maybe now we can see, okay, it's a little too close to the text, so I'm going to click edit again and go to advanced settings. And here, if you scroll down, you can choose to put some space around it on the vertical side and on the top and bottom, and on the horizontal, left and right. So I'll put 10 for both of those and click update. Now we can see it's given us a little more space. So that's how to do that. And you could also just as well put in YouTube videos. So I'm just going to go down here to new line, and I'll click this little YouTube button up here, and this gives us some code. What we do is just you go to YouTube and you get the URL of the video. For instance, I've gone over here to YouTube, and if I just go up to the address bar at the top and select the address, make sure you get the whole thing, and you want to copy that, and then you can come back over here and paste that in place of that text that was there. Make sure you leave these YouTube tags on both sides, and that's it. If you wanted to use categories, you could put things in different types of categories. You can click add new category and create a category there. For instance, I'll call this one success stories. Click add new category. It will automatically be added there. You can give it tags and things if you want, or set a featured image. But we won't do any of that now. I'll just go up and click publish to make this live. And we can see here it says the post was published. There's a message here about an autosave being more recent than the version below. That's just has to do with something I was doing while I was recording. You can ignore that in most cases. So anyway, we've done that. So let me click to view the post. I'm going to open this in a new tab, and we'll go over here to this page. We can see here is our article, here's the image and everything, and here's a YouTube video down below. So that's how you can do that. And in fact, if people wanted to, if you want, you can turn on commenting, where people can comment on the posts if it's something where you want people to interact. If you don't see the options for that, go up and click on Screen Options, and then turn on discussion and comments, and then we can close this. And then as we scroll down, under discussion there's an option here to allow comments, so you can click that and it would show you down here any comments that have been made on it. I'm not going to do that right now on this since it's just a sample, but that's how to make a blog post. Now the other thing is, if you just making this blog post, this post is kind of by itself because we don't have any pages linking to it. So what we might want to do if you're going to be using your blog is put a menu item that links to your blog. Now there's a page created already for listing your blog posts. If we go into pages and blog, or let me go into easy mode real quick, and we go to my pages, and here's one called blog. Now that's a page that already exists and it's set to pull in your blog posts. Now let's just take a look at it. I'm just going to open it in a new tab, and if we go over here to it, we can see it just shows a little excerpt of the blog post, and it would have, if you had 5 or however many blog posts you have, it's going to have the most recent ones listed here with the newest one on top. So that page is already created, but there's nothing linking to it on your site. So let's add it to the menu. Now there is a separate video that goes into menus in more detail, so you can watch that for more details, but let me just show you quickly how to do this. In easy mode, go to menus, or if you're not in easy mode, go to appearance, menus, and we want to make sure we're editing our main menu, so let's click on main menu. And here you see home, sell your house, all that stuff. So scroll down on the left hand side, here are the available pages, so click blog and click add to menu. Now if we scroll up here, we'll see the blog is available. Let's say we don't want it to be the last thing, let's move it up and so it's right before contact us, and then click save menu. Okay, and we get a message saying the menu has been updated. So now if we go back to our site, I'm just going to click home, or you could click refresh, whatever, to update it. You can see now we have an option called blog. So if we click that, it will take us to our blog section of our website. So that is how to create a blog post. And if you need to go back and edit an existing blog post, the way you do that is just scroll down and go to my posts, and this will take you to a list of all your blog posts, and from there you can just click edit and go in and make any changes that you need to. Also from that page we were just at, by clicking on my post, you can also put them in the trash from there or other things. So that's how to edit them, and then from there of course it's just like what we did in the when we created a new blog post. So now you know how to blog on your site.